Okay, boys and girls, so I want you to take out your sort number 54. What we're going to work on this week are all words that end with NG. So if you look at your list, some of these words do not end in NG. Those words we will make a new category for called oddball. We've been doing oddball, but sometimes they don't give us the oddball box. I want you to write oddball, and I want you to make another box because some of these words will go into oddball. I want us to work on all words that end in NG. Some of these words end in ANG, ING, ONG, UNG. So if you hear song, for example, that's an ONG. You've got UNG, ING, ANG, ANG. So when you organize these and sort them, you're sorting them on the last three letters. If the last two letters are not NG, they're going to be oddball because those are different. We want to focus on the words that have ANG, ING, ONG, UNG. Okay, so let's go ahead and start to spell. I need you to also take out your magnetic, Mando, shh. The dog is scratching his ear. Your magnetic sound word build boxes as well as your yellow sheet. We're not using the yellow sheet today. We're only using sound boxes, okay? All right, so let's go ahead. Well, these are actually called sound boxes. I call these sound boxes too because this is where we write our sound words in the boxes. Okay, our first word is song. I sang a song to my mom. S, A, ng. Remember that? Ng. That's tip of the tongue usually touches the tip of the roof of your mouth for n, for that N sound. But when we see NG at the end of the word, it makes a back of the tongue, roof of your mouth sound. Ng. Okay. S, A, ng. S, A, ng. NG. All of our sound words this week will end in NG. Song. Song. My mom sang a song to me. Song. And I want you to see the last three letters as a chunk. Ong. Ong. Okay. Next word. Are you ready? Let's see what we need to break away. Sang. 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 What letter do I need to break away? The O. And what letter needs to go in its place? Sang. A. Good job. Sang. S-A-N-G. Let's write it. Write it with me. S-A-N-G. Whoopsies. You didn't see my whole G. Sang. Okay. I sang a song to my mom, but now it's time to do something else. I want you to break away the first two letters. We're going to change it. I want you to spell the word hung. Ung. Ung. What letter do I need? H. And now, ng, U, N, G, H, U, N, G, hung. Let's write it. We built it. Now we write it. Ung. Again, I want you to see the last three letters as a chunk. Ung. Whenever you see NG at the end of a word and you see a vowel before it, read it like a chunk. You know what sounds vowels make, so read it like a chunk. Ung. Ung. Whenever you see these words in text, I want you to easily be able to recognize, oh, I know that. That's a chunk. 3 letters, I can make it one sound. Ung. Now, for the purpose of spelling, we want to break it up. Okay, at least while we're learning. Okay, the very last word we're going to spell today is, get ready, da-da-da-da, king. K-ing. Okay, I need to break away. What do I need to break away? K-ing. You're right. The first 2 letters. Those are not the sounds that I heard. I heard k, k, ing, e, k, ing, I. Good job. K-I-N-G. K-ing. Let's write it down. The king wore his crown. K-I-N-G. K-ing. I see the N-G. I see the vowel before it. 3 letters. Chunk. K-ing. Song. Read them with me. Point to your words on your page as you read them out loud with me. S-ong, s-ang, sang, h-ung, hung, k-ing, king. Song, sang, hung, king. And those are your sound words this week. Good job. We've got 4 more words tomorrow.